guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, as you can see, I'm alone. Rita is not with me, and today I decided to do a quick video on how to do twist outs or mini twist outs on natural hair. So for the products, this is the main product for this style, Don't Shrink Gel from Aunt Jackie's. We have black castor oil for deep conditioning and adding some shine to the hair. That's hair mayonnaise for also conditioning and making the hair easy to work with. That's water and some tea tree oil. So yeah, let's dive into this. And guys, remember to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So yeah, this I had already washed this hair so I'm just spraying some additional water to make it even easier to comb through. You know, my hair is type 4C. By the way guys, I don't have a specific formula by which I apply the products. I just put them on my hair. I know a hair professional may cringe after watching this video, but as long as it's working for me for now, I'm good. Gosh, I look so serious. Mind at work. So yeah, that's our first twist. So at this point, you apply some gel, the Don't Shrink gel. I really love this gel for this style. At least for me, it doesn't leave flex. I'm not sure whether you can use it for styling or laying your edges, but for twisting, it's the best for now. I know there are different gels and people use different products for their hair respectively, but for me, this one is okay. As you can see, it leaves some wash deposit, but that should not worry you. It dries up, it just magically disappears. Twist and twist and twist. So we are done for the first part. It has been 1 year 2 months since I did my big chop on my hair. It was really damaged, but I'm happy now. My hair is quite healthy, at least as far as I know. I'm just turning around to show you guys how I work on the back of my head. It's quite easy. It may look like it's stressing, but it's quite easy. Just twist and twist and twist. And as you can notice, the longer they stay, the shorter they become. This is because of, I think it's because of the gel. They become more bouncier, if that's a word. They become bouncy and more defined, and they also get more volume. Yeah, that's a thing I love about using the Don't Shrink gel. You see, they're bouncing. I was so hungry at that time, so I had to pop some chili lemon crisps in my mouth and some juice. But anyway, guys, you have to finish this head. They're looking nice already. My hair is long. It's longer than it looks. You know the way type 4 hair shrinks for no good reason. My hands are burning, they're tired. But just a couple of twists to go. Finally, yes, we did it. Yeah, guys, that's it. It's that simple. So guys, if you enjoyed watching the video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. How my back looks. They're still bouncy even at the back, So bye.